What up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for checking in, man. If you're new to this channel, hold on. Let me take this off. Shout out to Wu-Tang, but my Lakers doing it big, man. #1 in the NBA this year. LA, let's get it. But if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe down there. Look like a Supreme Box logo. Tap that notification bell so whenever I upload, y'all be first to get it. Today's review was on the Pusha T Adidas Ozweego or Ozweego. I swear, I really don't know how to pronounce the name of this sneaker. Dope sneaker, man. Gonna give y'all a full in-depth review. But you know what we do here at Sneaker Notes? We got to see what's on foot. So this is part of the segment where you, the viewer, go down in that comment section below right now, whenever you catch this video, and let me know what you rocking on foot when you caught this video. Next year, tomorrow, hopefully tonight, but whenever you catch the video, let me know what you're rocking on foot. As I told y'all earlier, I'm all purpled out, Laker Nation, man. So today I went and put on the Jordan 1 Court Purples. Of course, one of my favorite Jordan 1 because it has the Laker purple in it. I wish they really dedicate a Jordan 1 to the Lakers. I mean, I know we had the LA to Chicago's somewhere up here. I'm scared to wear them because I don't want too much Chicago to show. So I hope we could, in the future, we could get a Kobe Jordan 1, LeBron Jordan 1, whatever. As long as it's yellow and purple. Jordan Brand make that happen for me. But today on foot again, I got on the Jordan 1 Court Purples. In the comment section below, let me know what you rocking on foot when you caught this video. And let's get into these Pusha T joints. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Boom. Get closer so y'all can see that gloss. Yeah, I know. I'm a big fan of presentation. I love the cocaine white box. The whole exterior with the glossy white Adidas logo. I don't know how Adidas is letting Pusha T get away with this drug promotion, drug dealer fashion, but I like it, man. If you under 18, it's not for you. But I definitely like it. Cocaine white box. Got your Adidas logo there. There. No Pusha T logo or accents, but on the sides, read it right there, Pusha T, Ozweegos, I don't know, in that comment section below. Let your boy know how to pronounce that, man. Flip open the lid, and you got like your, I don't know how many people y'all will notice, but you got like your Pyrex design, red arrows across the tissue paper. If you don't know what a Pyrex is, go in your kitchen. I'm quite sure your lady, your mother, your grandmother has a Pyrex measuring cup. And let's start with the left shoe. Before we get in depth with the left shoe, I got these from Feature. All Things Good. It's a dope website. I just came across them maybe 2 months ago. I said when the time is right, I'm going to purchase something for it from them. Dope website. Got a whole bunch of brands. Feature. Look up feature.com. I also brought this sneaker off Cali Roots. Cali Roots still didn't deliver yet. I believe they overseas, so that's how it is. Let's get close, give you a 360 view. Pusha T. Ozweego, I don't know, man. Now, in my opinion, I looked up all the different Ozweegos that Adidas came out with, and Ray Simmons has the best one, hands down. I love that one. Shout out to Ray Simmons. But Pusha T didn't do bad, man. Start with the bottom. Instead of going with your Boost technology, this is that what they call it, Adiprime or Adiprime material. Same cushion, same softness. But instead of Boost, they went with the Adidas Prime. Get the camera to pick that up right there. Adidas Prime. Right there. But if you ask me, the whole bottom of the shoe has a Yeezy feel. Definitely has a Kanye feel here all the way around. Let's start with what sticks out the most. You have your 3 stripes in that nice, I like to call it airport green, but it's like a lime green, highlight green. Super dope. The sneakers are mesh. The whole sneaker is a mesh. From your toe box all the way around is mesh. Until you get to the back. And this material right here is a soft, it feel like couch, man. Soft cushion material here. I know these sneakers are going to be comfortable as heck. Definitely comfortable. Soft material here. As you can see, I'm squeezing it. And following the lime green Adidas stripes here, coming all the way around, starting at the tongue, have this little plastic stringy thing. It look like it's hard, but it's soft to touch. As you can see, it starts here and it comes all the way up, all the way around, and it becomes a pull tab to put the sneaker on. Super dope, Pusha T. Super dope, man. I'm trying to see, it starts there, comes all the way around, through there, and then back here where your tongue is, comes all the way down. We already know Adidas is the only company brand that does this, but again, it reads Pusha T, size, you know, barcode. These come equipped with some lime green shoestrings. I think this would be doing too much, as lime green is already loud and you already have it on all access of the sneaker from top to bottom, but you know. Now I want to get into this tongue. Nice premium leather tongue, guys. Leather tongue. Super dope. Kind of resembles the old-fashioned Adidas logo, like with the flower thing right here. Super dope. Has a little bit of Reebok pump to it. Right there. Comes connected in your black shoestrings that's daped in your nubuck suede shoestring holders. Nubuck suede right there. Super dope, man. Inside reads Adidas King Push. Also in that lime green. Not gonna lie to y'all, man. This is a very dope sneaker. And priced at $150. Come on, man. We spend $160 for Jordan 1s all the time. The materials built into this sneaker for $150 is unmatched. At a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving this sneaker a 9. Pusha T, King Push, Adidas joints. I'm giving it a 9, man. The materials is crazy. The packaging is nice. The only reason these sneakers may not be sought after is because it's Pusha T. And when you battle with the biggest rapper in the world like Drake, and you come out on top in a lot of people's eyes, you're going to make a lot of haters doing that. But Yeezys, PHARRELLs, these sneakers should be right up there with them. Let me know, in your opinion, how do y'all feel about these King Push Ozweegos? I hope I'm saying that word right. In the comment section below, man, y'all let me know. Again, on foot today, I got on the court purple Jordan 1s. In that comment section below, let me know what you rocking on foot. King Push, dope sneaker, man. Very dope sneaker. Everybody, get rich.
They call me Notes, huh? I said they call me Notes, huh? That's what they screaming at my shows, huh? Get a pen and take notes, huh? They call me Notes. Sneaker notes if we talking about kicks.